Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and today we are going to use Jenkins as our DevSecOps pipeline, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can install Jenkins into our local system and how we can set up a pipeline. So first of all, I'll show you the installation part. So first you need to enter the command sudo then apt-update. So this command will take a minute or two. Once this command gets completed, I need you to enter the command sudo apt install openjdk 11 jre. Okay, so now as you can see, Java is installed into my system because Java is Jenkins needs Java for running, and it doesn't include certain distributions by default, and Java version of Jenkins are incompatible. So you can check if the Java is installed into your system or not by just entering the simple command java space hyphen hyphen version. So as you can see that Java is installed into our system, and you can also see the version of it. So this was the first step, and moving to the next step. So this next step is going to be the installation of Jenkins. So first, I need you to enter this particular command, which I will be dropping into the description as well. So this particular command is going to get the package Jenkins package, and then again I need you to do a sudo update, and it will take some time. Now we will try to install the Jenkins into our system. So yep, click select Y. So all the commands that I'm going to use and step by step detail of the command, I'm going to paste it in the description as well. So the installation is started and it will take some time. So in the mean, I'll be pausing the video. So as you can see, the installation is about to end. So then the Jenkins is going to be installed into our local machine. It is taking some time. I'll pause the video again. So now Jenkins is installed into our system. So next we are going to run a command to start the Jenkins. So we'll run the command systemctl start Jenkins. This is the command to run Jenkins. And you can also check the status of Jenkins by simply removing start with status. So yeah, it's active and running. Now you can check if Jenkins is running or not. You can just simply go to your browser. You can type localhost port 8080. So Jenkins is working on port 8080 now, but it is asking us for an administrator password. So we need to get that password, and to get that password, I'll be giving you a command. Okay, so to get the password, you just have to write sudo space cat space var live Jenkins secrets and initial admin password. So this is the initial admin password, and this is getting used for the first time, and you can change it anytime after logging. So just paste it here and continue. So you can select any options from these two, or you can cross it. Jenkins is ready now, and you can start using the Jenkins. You can first, before starting using the Jenkins, you can reset your password and do not use any default passwords or anything like that. And as you can see, we are now logged into Jenkins, and as we can see, we are able to see freestyle projects in here, and you can create any project. Let's say we'll create a project with the name of freestyle project. So this is how Jenkins work, and in the further session we will discuss about how we can create a pipeline, how we can add our tools of our open source tool into the pipeline. So that is all for today, and hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. Thank you.